Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche here. I want to thank you guys first for all the support. Okay, we are growing, the family is growing, and this is so exciting. So today, like you guys have already seen on my title, I'm going to be recreating a YouTuber's eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm so excited. I've not tried anything blue like the picture you guys saw on my thumbnail, but I'm going to be doing it today. And if you don't know her name is Esther Kuria. Is it Kuria? Yeah, it's Kuria. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that should be it. Yeah, so she's from Kenya, but she lives in US, and she does this amazing eyeshadow look. Amazing, like so amazing. But the difference between me and her is that she has like bigger space for different things, and me, I have, of course, hooded eyes, but not so. But I want to try out her makeup, like her eyeshadow look I saw on Instagram. Another reason why I wanted to try it out is because her eyeshadow steps are different from mine. So I go in with the darkest shade as usual, and then I blend it out with my transition shade, but she goes in with transition shades and then the whole process. So I want to like try out this step as well as recreate her look. So if you are going to be interested, I mean, I know you'll be interested in watching this video, of course. Hey, so guys, keep on watching. I'm going to play the video, and it's actually an Instagram video, so it's really fast. So I'm going to play the video and do exactly what she's doing and follow her techniques and everything. Like, I can't wait. I've never tried the whole transition shade before the darker shade. Like, it's always, I don't know, for some reason I've never tried it, but I can't wait to try it. So first of all, she used a concealer on her eyes, and I have oily skin. She always says she has dry skin, and by the way guys, I'm going to leave her channel here or in my description box. So she says she has dry skin, so I can't use a concealer on my eyelid. Like, if I use concealer on my eyelid, the eyeshadow will not last at all. So I like going in with a proper eyeshadow primer. So first of all, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow primer from Revolution. This is their Focus and Fix. If you've been watching my eyeshadow videos, like, this is what I use all the time. It's so amazing. My eyeshadow doesn't crease at all when I use this, and I use it as my first base. For my second base, I'm going to be using the P.louise, just because we are doing colorful eyes. So guys, after she primed her eyes, she went in with her transition shade, and I'm gonna try and find a transition shade that looks like that. So guys, I'm using this palette. This is from Morphe, and this is their 39L Hit the Light palette. This is beautiful. So guys, I'm going to be going in with this shade as my transition shade. I think this is the shade that she used for hers. Yep. So she used it here, well, all over her crease. She used another shade that is slightly darker than that, and the next thing that I have here that looks like that is this shade in the same 39L palette. So I'm just going to apply this. She applied it like inside here, and I'm going to try and do exactly the same thing. So I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to continue the video. Okay guys, so the next thing she used is a darker shade, and the next best thing that looks like it here is this shade. So I'm going to use this, and she used this, wait, she used this at the outer corner of her eyes to just darken that place even more. So I'm going to use a smaller, not small, but just more precise brush to apply this there. Okay guys, so she used a blue pencil liner as first base, and I don't have anything like that. I guess she's going to go in with a glitter shadow, so I'm just going to apply my base there, not to cut my crease very precise, but just to have something I'm going to put the glitter on. Okay, I don't really have what she's using, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, and then let's continue. Alright, so she used the NARS eyeshadow glitter. I don't even have it, but I have something that looks like this in the Morphe 35B palette, this shade. But I have another palette that probably has this shade. I don't think this is it exactly. I have this one from Tammi X Revolution palette, the Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette, and yeah, this shade, I don't know which one will look exactly like that. I feel like they're the same shade. This one is from the Morphe 35B, and this one is from the Tammi X Revolution palette. And so guys, I'm going to use the blue and the 35B Morphe palette first. Then if it's not, I'll just probably go back with this other shade. Just because I'm a little bit extra. No, I'm not extra, I just want to be extra today. I'm going to go back in with this blue in the Tammi X Revolution palette and just apply that on top of this other blue. So guys, this is more of it. Let's continue with the video. So she used a black eyeshadow to darken the outer crease even more, and then she applied eyeliner, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to go back in with the 39L Hit the Light palette from Morphe, and I'm going to apply this black shade at the outer corner of my eyes. Okay guys, so I'm going to do my liner and the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll come back and continue from where we stopped. Okay, so guys, I wanted to do my face and the eyeliner and the lashes off camera, then let's continue and see what she did. Okay guys, so she did her bottom lash line, and I'm going to do exactly the same. So guys, for her lips, she used a dark red, not so dark. I don't know, the only thing that I have that matches what she used on her lips is this lipstick, and this is from OXX Cosmetics in the shade Milan. So I'm just going to use this all over my lips. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and just tell me in the comment section if I nailed it or if I did not. I mean, I'll take anyone, but I tried my best. And I actually love the whole technique of starting your crease shade first before darkening it, but I don't know if I'm going to continue doing that or if I'll go back to my old ways. I feel like my old ways is easier to just darken it and then blend it out, but we'll see. I mean, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell, and then you'll see if I'm going to keep on doing this or not. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, like, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.